those that are still having issues with how to fix pockets, okay, so this is the front panel. That's a female trouser now. You go in here by 1.5 inch and come down by 6.5. That's 1.5 by 6.5. That's what your pocket would be. You curve it out. So this is it. I've cut it out. So now this is the pocket itself. It's going to be, there are two. If it's a long strip, it will be 32 inches, but this is into two, 16 inches each, which if it is on fold, it will be 8 inches. So 8 inches on fold, 8 inches width in this case is very okay. But the depth, at least 8 inches also. So you can make your pockets unfold 8 by 8. But for a deeper pocket, you can make 8 by 10, 12, sometimes up to even 13 inches for a deeper pocket. In all those pockets where your phone will not be threatening to fall out. Okay, so having done that, you place them right side facing each other. Right side facing each other, well aligned, because each side is going to be for a different side of this pocket when we flip it open. So you can tuck it in under here and cut with this same impression, or you will carry this cut out, align it adequately, and cut. Okay, so in this case now, my trouser is going to have a waist elastic, so it's not going to have zipper. So I'm going to close up here, flip it open, and I'll continue showing you how to attach your pocket. So I've joined it in the middle. Had it been it have a zipper, I would have done all the zipper fly stuff. Okay, so now I've coupled one part of the pocket. You can see it's there already. It has completed back what was cut off. So now this is the second one. You will use right side facing, so you can see the right side of the trouser is up, facing you, facing the tailor, while the wrong side is resting on the machine. So you carry the right side of the fabric, align it with that pocket area, well aligned where you cut out. Okay, then you sew with about 1/2 inch or a little below 1/2 inch. Don't make it so small so that it wouldn't start loosening. So safely with about 1/2 inch. You can see. Okay, so when you are done with that, you can take it back to your ironing table, iron it, give it a good press. Give it a good press. Make sure that the one beneath is not protruding out, like a proper press. Okay. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to top stitch. So with this top stitching, I'll still give another explanation concerning pricing and different methods of sewing that you can employ in some cases to make to save further time. Okay, so now I'll top stitch. So I chose to top stitch in this case because of the pattern of the fabric. It wouldn't really, it's not much of an issue, but I don't usually top stitch my trouser. I don't go for top stitching. I like to give a good press, and I see no seam there, no stitches there. Okay, so you come to the down part. You know there's already a line here from that folding. when you ironed it down, so it's already defined. So you sew the down part of the pocket. Okay. My thread cut, so I'm fixing it back. So I've sewn the down part of the pocket. Now I will take it under. You can see it as aligned. Like I joined it here, top stitch it. I sewed the down part of the pocket. Now I've flipped the pocket to where it belongs, which is underneath the front panel. That's where it's going to form that pocket. So I'll then join it. If it's not well detailed here, especially if you are sewing crepe material that will not be as stable as this, you should please go back to your table, use iron to guide what you are doing. Okay, but this is already well lapped, so I'll go ahead and sew it down, further attaching the pockets to the panel. Then I'll return to the waist area. So you can see everything is well aligned. There's how your slanting will go. You will see the pocket coming out a bit longer if your slanting entered much into that place. So you see it coming out a bit longer. So that's why you should take your time to arrange it. So now I have attached it. So you can see the pocket is there. So in the end, we have gotten our pocket while replacing the 1.5 inch that was cut off. So here serves as replacement for that 1.5 inch that was cut off from this side, and then this pocket is formed. Thank you for watching.